Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating essentials, confirm the target market and one clear value proposition, then lock the MVP scope to 3 core features so development can move. Once done, create a 2-week sprint plan and assign roles. Product manager leads priorities, designer handles UX, engineers estimate tasks, and a marketer prepares launch copy. Make sure to schedule the first demo at the end of Sprint 1. This generates feedback and keeps momentum. You now move into focused execution. Run 2-week sprints and end each with a demo to collect real feedback, which lets you refine priorities. Meanwhile, implement feature flags and automated tests so you can deploy safely and keep a staging environment synced with production. Once tests pass, finalize messaging, pricing, and the landing page. Then set up one primary outreach channel such as email to drive initial signups and measure conversion. You perform a soft launch to a small cohort, monitor activation, retention, and NPS closely, and use phased rollouts with feature flags to limit exposure. Once metrics are stable, increase rollout percentage and open support channels. Make sure to have a scheduled hotfix window and a rollback plan if critical issues appear. If things go wrong, pause the rollout, enable rollback, communicate transparently to affected users, and prioritize a fix in the next hotfix window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.